Hi, and welcome to Gokuri's Kitchen. Today, papakita namin sa inyo how we cook one of our favorite pasta dishes, tuna pasta. Let's start with the ingredients. Kailangan natin ng sibuyas at bawang, kamatis, celery, canned tuna, penne para sa ating pasta, olive oil, freshly cracked pepper, and salt. For the whole list of ingredients, please check the description box below. Now let's prepare our ingredients. Dice one whole medium-sized onion, next, dice about 4 whole cloves of garlic. Isunod naman natin ang kamatis, sliced into strips. Para naman sa celery, kailangan lang nating ihiwalay ang mga dahon and then set aside. For the celery stalks, slice it into small pieces. Para sa dahon naman, we just need to cut them into smaller pieces. Ayan na, ready na tayong magluto. Unahin nating lutuin ang pasta. In a pot of boiling water, add about 3 tablespoons of salt. Then cook the pasta according to package instructions. The pasta we used took about 9 minutes. Pwede rin po kayong gumamit ng ibang pasta tulad ng spaghetti. Para naman sa sauce, we'll start with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then, unahin nating lutuin ang sibuyas. Isaute ng about 1 to 2 minutes hanggang sa maluto. Next, ilagay ang bawang at lutuin hanggang mag-brown ng konti. Isunod naman natin ang celery stalks. Isaute ito kasama ng bawang at sibuyas hanggang sa lumambot. About 2 minutes. Pag malambot na ang celery, we can now add our tomatoes. Igisa ito for about 2 to 3 minutes or hanggang sa maluto. Ayan, pwede na nating ilagay ang tuna. For our version, we used a mixture of spicy and yung regular flakes and oil. Pwede kayong gumamit ng hindi maanghang, depende sa panlasa nyo. Lutuin lang natin hanggang sa kumulo ng about 2 minutes. After nyan, pwede na natin tikman at maglagay ng salt and pepper. Pag okay na sa inyo ang lasa, we can now add the celery leaves. Then, haluin lang for about 30 seconds. Ayan, ready na ang ating sauce. Pwede na nating i-mix ang ating cooked pasta. Mix until the sauce is well incorporated. This is also the perfect time to taste for seasoning. Check nyo if kailangan pa ng salt or pepper. Ayan, ready na ang ating tuna pasta. I-transfer lang natin sa isang serving dish. At pwede na natin tikman. Para mas masarap, you can also top it with grated Parmesan cheese. This is it, Tuna Pasta by Gokuri's Kitchen. Hope you guys liked our first video. For more recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified when we post new videos. Thanks again and see you on our next video.